how to replace a incandescent bulb in a 2019 Dodge Ruck. The third brake light. Take the screws out. And then you see, you pull this out, and this is what you got right here. Pretty much get into your handy pack of bulbs. And these are not the super bright ones. I don't want to deal with this crap burning out. So take one of these babies, and pretty much if you plug it in and it doesn't work, you can take it out and you can turn it around 180 degrees. So let's say it's not burning right there, take that out, turn around, plug it back in, put that in there just like that, and screws back in, and of course you're going to do the same thing on all three bulbs. And I usually just throw these incandescents away, so it's just that simple. Replace the incandescent bulbs on your 2019 Dodge truck. It's a side shoulder. Side. How easy it is. Just don't be bashful. Just get in there and take the screws out. Pull this out. Take your bulb out. Put your new bulb in there. And then go on the inside and turn it on. And if it's not working, turn it off. And then take it out and turn it. Plug it back in. Put it back in. Turn it on. It should be fine. Okay. I don't see any sense in jumping off the back of this big tall truck to go in there and turn the lights on to run it, because these aren't really super bright. They're not meant to blind anybody. They're just meant to never have to change them again during the life of this truck. So I appreciate you taking a look here, and like and subscribe. Thank you.